Hi class 3, good morning. How are you? Fine. So, today I'm going to teach English, okay? English chapter 2. Okay? Chapter 2. The theme is Mr. Hurry Burry. Okay, Mr. Hurry Burry part A. So, I have divided the story into two parts. So, I'm going to discuss today part A. Okay? So, can you please take out your English book? Okay, now open to page number 21. 21. Okay, have you got it? So please pay attention here and listen the story nicely. Okay, so that you can answer and you know the story nicely. Okay. Okay, so are you ready, everyone? Yes. So if you are ready, so please listen here. Okay, so here note the story begins with that why Mr. Hurry Burry he got the name Mr. Hurry Burry. So not long ago there lived a very important man. Okay, his name was what? Hurry Burry. So but his actual name is not Hurry Burry, but people used to call him Hurry Burry. Why people used to call him Hurry Burry? Now we will listen, okay, nicely. So people call him Hurry Burry because he wanted to do everything on time and always in a hurry. That's why people call him what? Mr. Hurry Burry. Okay, so people went on calling his name Mr. Hurry Burry and they forgot his actual name. Okay, so they always call him what? Mr. Hurry Burry because he wanted to do everything in a hurry. Okay, so what happens that his name becomes so famous that everyone call him Mr. Hurry Burry. Okay, so Mr. Hurry Burry woke up at 12 past 5, exact at 12 past 5. Okay, because he wanted to do everything on time. That's why every day he wakes up at 12 past 5 o'clock. Okay, and he brushes his teeth. Okay, exactly at quarter past 5. Okay, everyone please pay attention and listen here. Okay, so he brushes his teeth exactly at quarter past 5 and he takes cup of tea half past 5. Okay, and after after drinking tea he will put on his shoes and he will go for riding a horse at precisely at around 6. Okay, 6 in the morning. Okay, so and how many servants do Mr. Hurry Burry has working for him? He has 6 servants working for him. Okay, every time the servant have to be like his owner and they have to work all the works exactly on time. So he had Mr. Hurry Burry had how many servants? 6 servants. They are all working for him, getting things ready for him. Okay, can you understand my English? Yes. So the servant works for him regularly. Okay, and so what happens if Mr. Hurry Burry wanted to go to bathroom? All the things have to be get ready before he go to brush his teeth or doing things. Okay, so what happens, Mr. Haribari wanted to see the toothpaste on his toothbrush, okay, on time, before he brush, okay, before he reach bedroom, and after brushing he wanted to see his servant to be he wanted to be served by his servant with a cup of tea in a fine bone china cup, okay, and that tea should be made of what, boiling water with the finest Darjeeling tea, not with another tea leaves, okay, with the finest Darjeeling tea, okay. So he needed how many? Three sugar cubes on the side of his cup. How many cubes of sugar? Three sugar cubes on the side of his cup, okay. But only he used only how many? 2, okay, remember. And the spoon, which have to be kept on the opposite side of tea cup and not anywhere else. He don't want to see the spoon somewhere, okay. He always wanted to see the spoon to be kept on the opposite side of tea cup, okay. And after that the servant have to arrange, okay, the servant have to arrange his what, his riding gear, okay, with his waist and ending with smartly polished riding boots, okay. So as soon as he opened the door, after drinking tea, he would put on his waist, he would put on his shoes, and he would open the front door. And as soon as he opened the front door, the horse should be kept ready for him facing east, okay, every day. So he wanted to see his servant keeping the horse facing eastward, okay. So have you understood the story up to this much? So next time we will discuss from the remaining, okay. So okay, have you any question regarding this? So if you don't have question, okay, have you understood the story? Yes. So if you have understood, then we will discuss the remaining parts in the next class, okay. So thank you class, enough for today, okay, bye.